Welcome back to Simple Learning, children. There is a quick update. The ICSE Council has released the new date sheet for your ICSE and ISC examinations. So you can see it here in the circular. The circular is also available on the Council's website. So you can see here that it is mentioning that revised timetable for ICSE and ISC Semester 1 examinations 21-22, and also now the examinations will be in an offline mode. So the heading says changed mode of conduct for the examinations. So the main thing to know is that the ISC class 12 examination for semester 1 begins from 22nd November till 20th December, and the ICSE grade 10 examination starts from 29th November and ends on 16th December. So you can go to the CISE portal and check this. The main thing to understand is, children, that you've got a very few extra days now to prepare. So do not bring down your preparation. Keep preparing very well and utilize this time to do much better. They have given the reasons that there were some schools who had non-availability of devices, irregular power supply issues were there, and network and bandwidth problems could be faced by the students. So the heads of schools had requested the ICSE to look into the matter, and now look at this line. It says, the ICSE, being a student-friendly board, after much deliberation, has decided to conduct the ICSE and ISC examination semester 1 in the offline mode. This is in capital letters. So you will be going to school to take your exams. And this will be in the form of a booklet which will be provided to the students. And you will get the booklet just 10 minutes before the scheduled time of exam. You will have 10 minutes of reading time, and then you will start with your exam of 1 hour or a little more as your subject states. So this is a signed letter by the Chief Executive and Secretary, Mr. Gary Arathon. And here, along with this notice, you have the full date sheet, revised timetable of your ICSE exam, which starts from 29th November. You can see here, starts with English language paper 1. Most of the exams are 1 hour, but Hindi is 1.5 hour, and even mathematics is 1.5 hour. So you can closely look at this timetable. And then if you go down in the timetable, you can see some instructions. Then that in addition to the time indicated on the timetable for writing the paper, that is 1 hour or 1.5 hour, we'll also get an additional 10 minutes for reading the question paper. There will be a question paper come answer booklet which will be made available at 10:50 on the day of the examination. This is for ICSE grade 10. So you will have 10 minutes of reading time, and most likely it will not be an OMR sheet. You will get a booklet in which you will have to answer the questions. Now next is the ISC class 12 timetable, which starts from 22nd November. Now you can also note the timing, children. For ISC, the start time of papers is 11 AM, whereas for grade 12 you can see that it is 2 PM. So you will have mostly papers of 1 hour and 30 minutes for grade 12. And here also there is an important note which says, in addition to the time indicated on the timetable for attempting the paper, again in 12th also you will get 10 minutes reading time for the question paper, and again it will be an a paper come answer booklet which will be given to you at 1:50 PM, because the exam for grade 12 starts at 2 PM. So go through this notice and always look for authentic sources regarding your examinations. Good luck for all your preparations. Keep subscribing to this channel and wait for more videos for the preparation for your exam. Thank you and happy learning. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.